Well, here's update 3 on the Fargo. I got a little bit done the last couple weeks. I got the front stripped off, as you saw in the last video. I scraped all the crud, sand, grease, grime, blah 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 off the frame. The firewall got all cleaned up. I wanted to paint it before I put the motor in and the tranny. As you all got all this wiring here, I'm changing all this stuff here. It's all garbage. It's all frayed. I'd rather be safe than sorry and just change it all. That way I don't have to worry about it. And I painted the door. The only reason I painted the door is just to see what color the paint's going to look like. It's a hot rod black. Well, it looks blue because it got the light shining off, but you can see the black part there. I didn't do any body work on it. You can see the buying right there, but I just painted it just to see what it's going to look like. And it's kind of a rough texture. I didn't thin it down enough. I got kind of a little bit of an orange peel, but I'm going to sand that down because, like I said, never did any body work. Got all the frame cleaned. I don't have it painted yet. A little bit of paint here and there, but that's just overspray from when I was painting little parts, this sort of stuff. Got the motor, got one coat on it anyway, and still have to clean the valve covers. They're all grimy, so forth. Took the floor mats out. They're just rotten. I don't know if I can find a replacement for it or not. I hope I can. Tony could probably help me with that. He's a good source for all this old stuff. And guess what? Tony brought over some tires. The original wide white wall tires. I think they're going to look cool on the truck here. I'll just put one on just to give you an idea what it looks like. I'll go over to this side here. Probably look a lot better here. Come on. There's the old white wall on it. I think that'll look pretty cool. Yeah, it's coming along. Anyway, yeah, I got all the gas tank out, got it all painted, got the electronic components out, motor mounts, this sort of stuff, got them painted. Painted them a gloss black, and I had the gas tank sitting there, and lo and behold, I got a hole right there. Been sitting for God knows how many years, no problems whatsoever. I drained about 2.5, 3 gallons of gas out of it just before I painted it, and had it sitting on the horse here with a little stand, and noticed a little drip. Sure enough, I got a hole in it, but I can fix that. Not bad. It's the only problem I had in all the work that I've done here. But anyway, I'll give you an update later on when George comes, and we'll hopefully get the motor tran in and start getting the starter on all the other components. Maybe next week or the week after, we'll see if we can get Tony over here and get it fired up and get her hooked up, get her going. Anyway, that's it. That's all for now.